My name is Joe Jansen, and I'm the construction site supervisor here at Blue Northern National Trail. My position is to take the scope of work, which is created by the engineering company, and take it out to the contractors and get bids. Then take what we feel is the best bid and bring the contractor in and get the work done. It'll be a long time before construction is complete. We don't know where it'll stop. We're hoping to be making biodiesel by the 1st of October. There's a lot of work to be done between now and then, a lot of construction work and a lot of testing work to make sure all this equipment runs properly, and there's a lot of computer programming that has to go on and make sure all that works before we actually make biodiesel. Most of the questions I get are, is it really going to happen? And I say, yes, it is.